Now let us learn about membership operators. So in membership operators we have two, which is in and not in. So basically these operators are used to check whether a value is present in a string, list or tuple. So if you don't have knowledge on string, list or tuple, so please do watch our video on data types in Python. So basically if a particular value is present in a list, it gives true. If it is not present, it gives false. So that's it. So let us take an example that Rahul had applied for a job and he mentioned courses in a resume like Python, Java, C, .NET and C++. The company only wants to recruit if that particular candidate is familiar with Python. And so let us write a program on that. So the company, so that Rahul is having programming list. So Rahul is having, so let us take a list. So Rahul is having knowledge on Java, C, C++, Java, and also on Python. Okay, so but the company wants only the language required is only Python. Okay, so but we wanted to check if that candidate is having knowledge on Python or not. If so, conditional. These are the conditional statements, if and else. So you'll get to learn more about it. So so for now, which is like if language required in programming list. Okay, I wanted to show that the candidate is suitable for the job. Else, I wanted to print candidate is not suitable. Not suitable for the job. Okay. So since in the programming list we have Python and so that statement has to be true. So basically this in required in programming list gives us true or false. If it is true, then it will be executed suitable for the job. If it is false, if it is not in the list, then the print not suitable for the job is executed. So let us see how it works. Python is present in this particular list, it is suitable for this job. So let me remove Python and execute. Not suitable for the job. Since the condition is false, it is going for else. So we'll learn more about if and else in later. So this is how in works. So let us learn about not in. So here it works like not in and suitable. So if Python is not inside this particular list, then this will execute. If Python is not inside, this will execute. So since it's true, this will execute. If it is available, then this will be executed. So let us see. So not suitable for the job because Python is not inside this list. What if it is inside the list? Python. So Python is inside the list, so it will execute else, suitable for the job. So this is how the membership operators works, in and not in.